Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There is a famous saying which says, "An-nahwu fil kalam kal milhi fit ta'am." Grammar in speech is like salt in food. So when the food is without salt, it does not taste good. Similarly, if any language is without grammar, it will not give a good sense of it. So I am here with a new topic. Let's get straight into Arabic grammar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In today's video, we are going to discuss word and kinds of words. Al-lafz wa aqsamuhu. So word in Arabic is called lafz and aqsam is called kinds. Arabic grammar is a very extensive topic which needs to have a very good foundation of basic Arabic grammar. So in this series, I will try to focus on basic Arabic grammar. I will be creating videos which will help you get familiar with the basic Arabic grammar terms and terminologies and rules. So this is the very first video of this series. In this video, I will be focusing on word, what is a word and what are the kinds of word. Lastly, there will be a small quiz which will help you in gauging your knowledge by today's topic. Let's get straight into the topic. So loves or word, it is of three kinds. First one is noun. Noun is called ism in English. Ismun with tanween, or you can just say ism. So first kind of word is ism, noun. Second kind is fi'l or verb. Fi'l or verb. Third kind is harf, particle. Harf, particle. So all the words in Arabic language, they are either nouns or verbs or particles. For example, this is a sentence, a complete sentence of Arabic. ذهب زيد إلى المسجد. ذهب زيد إلى المسجد. It means Zaid went to the mosque. So ذهب is went, Zaidun is the name of person, Ila is, and al-masjid is mosque. Now you see there are four words. So the first word, which is dhahaba, it is a fi'l, a verb. Dhahaba is a past tense verb, fi'l. Then zad, it is a noun, isim. Zad is a noun, isim. Then we have ila, it is a particle, harf. It is a particle, harf. Then we have lastly al-masjid, which is also a noun. One more example. رأيت رجلا في المدرسة. رأيت رجلا في المدرسة. It means I saw a man in the school. I saw a man in the school. There are four words in this sentence. So the first word is رأيت. So رأيت means I saw. So it is a fi'l. رأيت is a fi'l, verb. Then we have rajulan. Rajulan means a man. So it is a noun, ism. Then we have fi. Fi means in. So in is a particle, harf. Lastly we have al madrasa. Madrasa means school. So it is a noun. So these are the four words. All are categorized under either ism, harf or fi'l. Now here is a small test of today's lesson. You have to test your knowledge. I am leaving with a small sentence which is Fataha at-tajiru ad-dukkan. Fataha at-tajiru ad-dukkan. Now you have to tell which word is Fataha, which word is at-tajir, and which word is dukkan. So either they are verb, they are noun, they are particle. What are they? You can answer in the comment section below. Now, to make it easy for you, I am also telling the meaning of this sentence, which is the merchant opened the shop. فتح التاجر الدكان. The merchant opened the shop. Now I hope that you will be able to answer and tell the kinds of these words, inshallah. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have learned something new and you find it beneficial for you, kindly do share it with your friends and family members. I will be back with a new video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.